In this video, I'll tell you how you can fix network problem in any Samsung device. First of all, navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to general management. After that, scroll down and tap on reset. Then scroll down once again and right here you can see reset mobile network settings. Tap on that and tap on reset settings. After that, enter your password and the setting will be reset. Tap on reset and I can see network setting has been reset successfully. After that, simply swipe down from the top right corner to open this control panel. And right here you can see airplane mode. Simply enable airplane mode and after 5 seconds disable this airplane mode. Now disable airplane mode and by doing this your network issue will be fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then try restarting your device. To restart, simply swipe down from the top right corner to open this control panel and tap on this power icon. Then tap on restart and tap on restart once again and your device will be restarted. So that's how you can fix network problem in any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.